Hi, this is Emma from Centered Within. This is Animal Magic, and this is a reading for your birds, a psychic reading. This is defend to the end the worthwhile. I want to see, vision of life beyond death. Your birds are letting you know that even though you have done something, chosen something, moved, changed, when we make these choices, this change, we go through a cycle of death and rebirth. So you may feel like things are just awful, you feel awful. You know, it can feel there is an element of death because something's changed, something you may no longer be doing or having or being, or there is a change. There is a definite change, but then there's a rebirth happening as well, and there's that interim bit as well. It's difficult, it's huge, it's overwhelming, it's not very nice. But your birds are reminding you that there's a vision beyond that. There is a vision beyond that. There is a life beyond that. But whilst we're feeling all the feels and understanding how we feel and taking on how we feel, doesn't necessarily mean that the choice you've done is wrong. The decision you made is wrong. It's just the next step. Okay, your step that you want is there, but there's an interim step, and there's a reason why there's an interim step. Because there's something to learn, there's something to gain, there's an opportunity sitting right here that you would have missed going straight to the other point. There's something else that needs to be taken on board. Just because you're feeling the way you do doesn't mean you've done something wrong. It's very much the energy of this at the moment. And your birds are just reminding you of this. There is something beyond this. I'm just checking to see if there's anything else. No, that's it. Sending you lots of love.